guys, I'm sorry about the noise, if there is any noise in the background. Today we're going to be showing you how to make
a little bird and a little koala.
Yeah, like a little bear for like stuffies. So I'm going to start by showing you how to make the bear. So you're going to need a big pom-pom and like a medium pom-pom.
These are supposed to be for your reborn babies, like stuffies.
Yeah, it's like mini stuffies. And then you glue the medium pom-pom on it.
Good job.
Oh, and 1 second, guys. Okay, sorry, guys. So then you're going to need 2 little tiny baby pom-poms. And going to glue them on for the ears. There. So there's your little bear. Then you can choose what's the front and the back. This is going to be in the front. 1 second. Okay, so then you're going to need little googly eyes. So I have these googly eyes, and mine have a sticky back. So I've got to take the sticky back off. This might be a little hard. Let me there. Okay, got the sticky back off. Then I'm going to stick it where I want my first eye to be. There. So I'm going to do it for the other eye. There we go. And glue that on. So as you can see, I put my eyes a little close together so it looked cute. And then I'm using a tiny purple pom-pom, and I'm just like breaking it up. Might be easier to cut it. Yeah, I'm just going to cut it in half. Yeah, get some. Okay. So there, I have my little piece of pom-pom that I'm going to use for a little tummy. I'm just going to try to pull it apart. Doesn't seem like it wants to. There. So now I'm just pulling it apart a little so it looks cute, and then I'm just going to glue it on. So I'm taking the hot glue gun and gluing. Out right now. Later, okay? Sorry, guys. Where'd my little pom-pom belly thing go? Here. Okay, guys, so there's your little bear. If you want, you can, like, draw a smiley face or something. But I think he looks really cute how he is. So now, Baby Crew M is going to show you how to make a little bird. So you can come stand over here, okay? Yep. Okay. And I'm going to help.
So the first thing you're going to need, so I have pink and purple right now, so I'm using yellow. So you're going to want to take a big pom-pom and a little pom-pom for the head and for the body and glue it together. Cute. Okay. I'm going to kind of go like this so its body isn't so fat. Okay. Then I'm going to take a green pom-pom. I'm going to cut it in half.
Oh, guys, you can make your eyes as big as you want.
Yep.
As even this big. But that would just look wrong. Oh. You okay? Sorry, guys. We're all good.
So I'm just going to want to cut this in half. Okay. Just like that. Oh, gosh. Okay. So then you should get something like this. You don't maybe go like this so it's not like too thick.
Ice.
And then when you have it, you can glue it to here to make it like a little belly. Oh god. Okay. So maybe don't glue it. Okay. I'm gonna go.
And guys, yeah, I'm just gonna say something while she's doing that. We might start on our other channel, Darren Casey. If you want, we could do that, or we could do it on this channel. But on Darren Casey, we might be starting like to do like games, like Roblox. And like videos with some other people. So yeah, if you want us to do that on Darren Casey, just tell us in the comments or give us a thumbs up. And if you want us to do it on this Yeah, just tell us in the comments. But we're gonna start by doing game videos on the baby crew.
Yeah. Okay.
And we're gonna like do Minecraft game videos.
Maybe.
But we'll start like at I guess, and then we'll be like saying it. What we're gonna do.
Okay, guys, so this is like not really working right now. So then you're gonna
Why does my ice fall?
cut another pom pom.
It's dirty.
It's okay.
in
I
half.
have to lick it.
Cut another pom pom in half. The pom pom of your choice. And cut the yellow one in half. Oh gosh, okay. Where's your bird? Where's the bird?
Sticky Robin.
Okay, this is like, guys, 1 second.
Actually,
Okay, so now I have my little hair. So I'm just gonna glue it on.
Oh, and guys, since we haven't been making that much videos, we're gonna try to make it at least one video a day if it's possible.
Yeah. Or one video.
1 second, guys. We're just gonna pause the video. Oh, and go check out my cousin's channel, Morgan Williams, and watch her first video.
Okay, guys, this is not
We're
working.
making crunchy slime.
This is not working. So
Yeah. So I guess it's just making a bear.
okay. So I'm just gonna show you. So you can see, glue 2 pom poms together, and then cut 1 in half. Go for the hair, cut 1 in half. Yeah, and make it big and whatever.
Okay. Bye, guys.